Please stay healthy, eat healthy, and look after your children well. Look out more lapun man Mary Lopez so that you don't take them to the hospital, because currently there is no medicines in the hospitals. And so my call to the rest of Papua New Guinea, the citizens of Papua New Guinea, is stay healthy, eat well, and stay away from troubled areas. We are nearing the end of the year, and next week there is Parliament session, and in November there will be the budget session again. We are a month away from tabling the 2026 budget. But have we completely delivered? Have we achieved at least 80 to 90% of the target for 2025 budget? If we haven't, these are the repercussions, these are the issues, these are the reasons why health sector is struggling today, because we haven't met the targets. Someone is not carrying out his responsibility. And those who are not carrying out their responsibilities should not be sitting down in offices where it affects the lives of Papua New Guineans. Critically affects the lives of Papua New Guineans. It is the responsibility of government of the day to make certain that prescribed medicines, prescribed drugs are available in the pharmacies of the hospitals. So our people do not die unnecessarily because of lack of drugs and medicines in our country. Right on my table here, I got I have 4 letters coming from the provinces stating they're having difficulties with medicines in their hospitals, with medical drugs in their hospitals. And PHAs, CEOs of PHAs, are struggling to speak to people here at the headquarters. What is the problem? I think it's about time we go back and do simple things correctly. I don't think it's rocket science. I think all it needs is common sense and someone faithfully sitting down and doing his paid job. My call to the Prime Minister is to talk to his treasurer, talk to his ministers, and honestly look at the books and treat our PHAs and our hospitals with some agency.